guys, today we're making a pencil case, not just like a lower end pencil case. It's like a cup pencil case. All you need is the cup, a piece of paper like this. It doesn't have to be like, it can be any size you want, and PVA glue or glue stick. And let's get started. You need to grab like a piece of paper and grab like try to cut out the same size the circles, and this try to do the same size in this. First, let's just draw the mouth and the thing. I'm gonna make an Easter robot because it's Easter. But you can make whatever you want. That like that. Then this. That. Like that. Sit like this. And put your PVA glue. Forget to put on. Now, just draw the eye like that. I forgot to mention that. And like those. Yep. There. Then stick it onto your cup. Now like that. And now get your two pieces of these. Just glue it on. And now, don't forget to color it. Be more perfect if you color it. You can make this perfect as you want, but I'm not. But I'm not like a crafty person. Set and do it on this one. Try to copy like the same one as the other one. Now, I forgot. I have to put it like this. You can put it in like the back, but I glued it in a mistake. So, let's start. It's hard. You are done. Look at that now. It's like this. It's different, but it's like this. This, and you can put stuff in here. And that's it for this video I made too. And I hope you like it, and do like whatever you want. Like you can do like the ears red, blue, and yeah, and etc. And I hope you enjoyed my video. If you're new, hit the like button, post notifications down there, and subscribe button down there. And see you guys next time. Bye.